Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google product company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So yeah, let's move on to the question I have written. The question is okay, it's so small, so let me make it. So, the font has bigger, as you can see. My Google ads have been disapproved because of malicious links. The site has been scanned and is clean. The links Google said are problematic are nowhere to be seen. Thinking that it had been hacked, I switched from Squarespace to WordPress and rebuilt the site from scratch. I appealed the decision as I had a brand new site and disapproved again. What do I do now? Isn't this a mistake? Okay, so first of all, there because you said that the site has been scanned and cleaned. So I mean, how are you scanning? Because people say that if you hire us, we have a dedicated API tools, and through which we personally check websites for any malicious errors, for any other errors. So I believe that the tool you are using is not an ideal one to be let on. The second point, you said that the links Google said are problematic are nowhere to be seen. Okay, usually they are in the server, and people do not, majority of the time, do not know that where they are. So this could cause the suspension. Sometimes it's in the server, it's in the server files, but not on your website. So which is why you may be mistaken, oh no, it's not on your website, so why it gets suspended? So because it's on the server, so usually you need a developer help to sorting out, because like cpanel, there are so many control panels, and there are so many tools through which you're using. Now, because you said that thinking it had been hacked, I switched from Squarespace to WordPress and rebuilt the site from scratch. I built a decision as I had a brand new site and distributed again. Okay, this doesn't tell about the hosting. Are you using WordPress hosters, servers, or is it your own hosting program? So I highly believe over there that you have an issue with your hosting. Okay, your hosting account has other files. Okay, because you are seeing that the links Google are seeing are also nowhere to be seen. It means that if the Google is assuming these links on your website, it means that they are on your web hosting account, and that is causing an issue. So it requires an account approval. And now, because when you say that, what do I do? Isn't this a mistake? So even if there is a possibility as well that you may be saying all of this as a right, and this is actually a mistake done from the Google. I'm just giving you an example assumptions of what could be over here. So in this scenario, that it is all based on the assumption, and it's a mistake by Google. What do we have to do is, we as a Google partner company have a dedicated rep in solving out those issues. Even if you look around on my YouTube channel, you may be surprised to know hundreds of cases we have done today. And if you look around on my Upwork channel, again you can find how many cases we have done for the Google Ads disapproved, and you may realize we have an expertise. Also, we are a Google partner company, so you can say that we have a dedicated rep. And what we do is we personally ask them for a rescan. Sometimes, if it's an old scan which is causing mistake, we can ask them a rescan to figure out what's exactly the issue, and then we can sort it. Sometimes it's an old cache, which requires an update. So in either of this scenario or any other disapproval scenario, we can help you. And again, this could be a mistake or this could not be a mistake. I have told you both possibilities over there. I hope you like my opinions. But still, in case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup management, Google Ads disapprovals, me and my team are over here to help you. What you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. So yeah, I hope this answers your question, and yeah, we again look forward working with you. Take care and bye bye.